to hype a video on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Then click on the video you want to hype. After that, you'll find comments. You can swipe comment to the left side. After you swipe the comment to the left side, you will find hype this video option. Simply click on hype and you will find hype 1K points at the bottom. You can simply click on it. After you click on it, you will find leaderboard of hype points in here. As you can see, it is showing help your favorite creators get discovered when you hype. And this is how to hype a video on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.